Hey guys, welcome to Simon Says. In this video, I want to show you guys my top 5 Apple continuity features. And for number 1, I would say universal control. So just for this, you go in your iPad settings and turn on your handoff, turn on your mouse and cursor control. And from here, you just move your mouse across the screens and you can drag files, copy and paste, and do whatever you need to, making it very easy and seamless to use both as one device. On the MacBook side as well, you can just go into your display settings, select your iPad, turn on these 3 buttons to select which direction you want to move the mouse to for it to move into the next device or into the iPad or the Mac. And you can copy, and here you see me copy an item from the iPad, from the Mac, and paste it on the iPad, and from the iPad and just drag in a picture into the iPad. So you can see why this is one of my favorite features of the Apple ecosystem. It lets you copy and paste between devices. You can drag and drop. It basically turns both of them to one device. And for the next feature, I would say iPhone mirroring. So this lets you control your iPhone from your Mac. You can, similar to universal control, you can copy and paste, drag files into your iPhone. I just think of this as universal control, but for the iPad instead of the Mac, where you just do everything from the Mac and control your iPhone from the Mac. And this is also very helpful because it also works if your phone is in standby mode or if your phone is in another room. For the third feature, I'd say continuity camera, which lets you use your iPad or iPhone as a camera for your Apple TV or your Mac. You just click on the FaceTime icon and then you get a notification on your iPad and your iPhone. You click accept and then it shows your camera on the TV or the Mac. And then we move on to the home theater feature, which lets you output all the audio from your TV to your HomePods. So you just go to your audio output, select your default audio output, which is the HomePod mini in this case. For this to work, your TV needs to have ARC enabled. That's your audio return channel. And select it's connected using ARC, and that's it. Now all the audio from your TV is going to pass through the HomePod mini. And this is, last but not the least, is Universal Clipboard. Lets you copy and paste between your Mac, your iPhone, and your iPad. And those are my top 5 Apple ecosystem features. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.